Happy Easter, everyone. We're here making omelet for breakfast. It's a ham, cheese, and egg omelet. And my camera lady here is going to hold the camera. And I've already diced the ham. And now we're cooking it. And it's so happy to be cooking that it's jumping out of the dish. Why, I don't know. So we got a clean bowl. And we're going to use, I don't know, 5 eggs maybe. That sound like enough for us?
Mm-hmm.
So how do you make 5 eggs with trash? What's that over there? Could you over there for a second?
No package yet.
No package.
No.
So we got the ham here. It's getting toasty now. See, it's getting light. It's got a brownish cure to it. All right. So I'm not a professional at cracking eggs. Oh, these are small ones. So we're gonna do that. There's one. You don't want to get shell in there. 2. 3. Geez, that one slobbered on the ground. 4 and 5. Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this one's going to be closed. I don't want no shells in there. So those are taken care of now.
Now we need more eggs.
Huh?
Now we need more eggs.
Yes, I know. It's the most expensive thing in this house. And eggs.
Not really.
Eggs. Yes, I do use a lot of paper towels, but you need to have clean hands when you're doing this. Fresh pepper. We like to go with this kind. You grind it up here. We don't want the fire alarm going off. We just sprinkle that in there. I don't like this new top. It doesn't like to stay on. We don't need salt because that's got a lot of salt. Milk we do need. I forgot about that. Because when you want the eggs to puff up, you add a little bit of milk. That's all. You get your stir. What do you call these things?
Whisk.
Whisk. And you whisk it together. See it? Can you see it? Here, I'll show it to you guys here. That's what it looks like. Before it gets whisked. Hopefully our fire alarm will not go off. Well, these things don't want to break up. There we go. And there they are. Now we go ahead and pour those in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Right there. I didn't get on my camera, did I?
Nope.
Get all that out of there. And then some more dishes for the dish. The person, the Perrys, or whoever takes care of it. Turn our flame up a little. Now mix it in here. So this is a real simple breakfast for somebody like the great 88s could make, which is Alan Thompson Jr. in, where did I say he lives? Oh, Marble Falls. Yes. And by the way, we'll be doing podcasts now. I forgot the name of the podcast. Oh, I think it's just podcasting with Mitchie the Kid and the Great 88s. And we'll be interviewing, I don't know, Disney people possibly. The people that have worked there in the past. Or maybe artists or Imagineers. Whoever we can imagine to interview. You can go check it out right now, as a matter of fact. The podcast already has one interview, and that's with Ragtime Allen Thompson Jr., who just happens to be Mr. Great 88. Actually, he said he's not that. That's actually what stands for the piano players, because there are 88 keys, and they are the greats in his eyes. Now we take about 2 handfuls of shredded 4-cheese Mexican cheese.
Mmm.
And you sprinkle that in there. And you want that to get all in there, because it's going to get all nice.
The cheese came from Stater Brothers, by the way.
Yeah, it says it right
there. We
there.
were there the other day, yeah. My name and got stuff.
That's enough cheese.
That looks really good.
I'm going to get something else out of here real quick. Would you like bread?
Toast?
Why are you showing my butt again?
I'm not. I'm
Toast,
showing
yes.
my magnet.
Would you like toast?
My magnet. What?
Would you like toast?
Yes, but I want my bread.
Well, then we'll get right here and get that out. So I need to get back to this, or we'll have burnt. It's already burning. We don't want it to burn.
Turn down the flame.
It's all the way down. Supposed to be recording. Supposed to be cooking this at a medium heat. Okay, now it's working. And look at all that. I mean, that's enough there to actually feed maybe 3 people.
That's a lot of eggs.
gooey.
Yeah, it looks really good.
But it's Easter. Time to munch. Yes, Chef Capalbo, the Italian chef, he's not around right now. He went on hiatus. So, just Mr. Capalbo, that's me, will be doing cooking from now on this channel. Or Mitchie the Kid, whichever you used to call me. And no, the kid part doesn't mean I'm a little kid. You've seen City Slickers, and he was named, I'm Mitchie the Kid. Or his friends called him that when he was a kid. But I'm different. I have 2 D's in my name. So it's Mitchie the Kid to the double D. Alright, that's done. Kill the flame on that. Doesn't that just smell delicious, people? Oh, yeah. We're going to put the lid on this so it stays warm. And now we're going to make some toast.
Toast is a good thing.
Toasters for the hostess. Her bread.
Yum.
Mr. Guitar Solo. I don't even know his name.
Makes really good bread.
What's his name?
It says it on the package, but I don't remember. Yeah,
His name is Dave's Rocking Bread or something. Dave's Killer Bread. Dave's Killer Bread.
It is good.
There you
Killer
go.
bread. Yum.
How many pieces would you like?
2.
2. Now, I,
Make that 3.
myself, am a sourdough man.
Sourdough bread.
Stater Brothers sourdough works for me. So, we'll go ahead and take those out. Put them in our special toaster, the toaster oven. 2.
3.
3 pieces of
Can
bread?
I do 3?
You're a pig. Yes.
I am a pig. Yes, I am. Because I like all of my heavily grained breads in the morning.
I hope I have room for mine. Mine's big.
Mine's not. Mine are very
mine
small.
Probably
so
equals
yeah.
one big piece.
Exactly.
3 pieces or whatever. What happened to my bread?
I don't know.
The old bread.
Old bread, new bread.
So pull out of 1 piece of
wow,
sourdough.
look at that big piece. Yeah. Okay, so that equals about the same size as my 3 little tiny pieces.
Go to medium on
The
that.
Dave's bread is actually kind of small, but it's thin sliced, so it's very good. That is not thin sliced.
It's thinner than the same thickness as your bread.
Okay.
It's the other one in there that's thicker.
Oh yeah, the bread.
Yeah. What kind of butter do you want on it, or do you
Just
want
regular
jelly,
butter.
or?
Just this butter.
Okay. So we take out our butter.
Yay! Challenge butter with sea salt. It's the best kind.
And I prefer on mine a wee bit of this.
Oh, it's very
You guys
fun.
can't find this anymore.
Seedless boysenberry.
It's going out of business. Well, no, it's not going out of business. Change name. Would you like some fruit with that?
Sure. Those are good.
Okay. We will have some fruit, but we're not going to have this fruit. Where did it go? I just saw it. Fruit. We have blueberries, strawberries.
Blueberries and
I
strawberries
guess that's
and
it.
red raspberries.
And snozberries.
Yes,
Raspberries.
raspberries. We're having all the red fruits today.
Because I no longer can have bananas. That's no longer allowed.
I can. That's why those are up there.
And
Are you going to have grapes?
I don't know where they're at.
In the drawer.
No, I don't want to overload my breakfast.
Okie dokie.
So that is it, folks. You wish to see me plate this? Alright, hang on 1 second here, and I will plate it. One other thing I'd like to mention. This is also a very good breakfast for diabetics, which we are both diabetic, correct?
Yes.
Correct. There's no sugar in our breakfast. I have my camera lady hold this while I plate the food. Oh, smell that aroma. Woo-hoo. That enough for you? Or more?
That's enough with bread and fruit.
Okay.
That's good.
There's hers.
Yes.
Let's put mine over here.
This side's fine.
We have a little bit left over.
Okay.
Now, of course, that's not
Usually
6
doesn't.
ounces.
It usually doesn't stay left over for very long.
But since it's Easter, there's a little more.
Well, you're breaking the fast today.
Yes.
So.
I gave up ice cream all Easter for my Lent. Well, maybe not all. I cheated a very little. But because I had low blood sugar, I had to cheat. On purpose. I had nothing else to give me that sugar high. Alright. So there you go. That is the breakfast. It's very simple to make. I will put up a picture of what it looks like with our bread and what do you call that stuff with their fruits?
Fruit and toast. Yeah, it's kind of smoking.
So there you have it. Happy Easter, everyone.
Happy Easter.
I hope you have a great breakfast. And it's very simple to make. It's 5 eggs, 2 handfuls of shredded cheese, and what was that meat? Maybe a half a piece of ham diced and cooked in the pan. Took us a half hour to make that. So from 11 to 11:30. Happy Easter! Oh, one more thing. Please remember to subscribe right there. Right there. Thank you.